सब्सक्राइब कीजिए स्टडी विद सर अमन चैनल को और नए वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए।
Good morning. Today we are going to start new chapter, interest. Okay, so see here carefully. Interest are of two kinds. First, simple interest. Second, compound interest. Today we will discuss about simple interest. What are the terms involved in simple interest? You will encounter with principal, rate, time, interest, amount. Okay, and what is the relation among them? How to calculate interest? Interest formula is P into R into T by 100. Check number 1, P into R into T by 100. Okay, amount, what is the formula of amount? Principal plus interest. Okay, now what is principal and what is amount? Principal, another name of principal is sum. Okay, principal is main money, original money which you are lending or you are taking, and at the end of fixed interval of time you are returning the money by giving extra money. Okay, by giving extra money, so that is known as amount which you are returning at the end of time. Okay, formula P plus I. Formula number 4 you can check. Amount is equal to principal into big bracket 1 plus R into T by 100. It is the formula for simple interest. How to calculate the amount directly? One very important thing you have to observe in this chapter is note. Time must be changed according to given rate. What does it means? If rate is given in month, you have to change the time in month. If rate is given in year, you have to change the time in year. Okay, more detail I will tell you with the help of question. Okay, so let us see exercise question number 1. Find the interest and the amount. Interest and amount on rupees 750 in 3 years 4 months at 10% per annum. First you have to identify which one is P. P means principal is 750, rate is 10% per annum. Whenever you get percent, that is rate. 10% per annum. Annum means year. Okay, rate. Time 3 year 4 month. Now check here nicely. Rate is given in year and time is given in year and month. Year is okay. This 4 month you have to change. How? See. Check time 3 year 4 months. 1 month is equal to 1 by 12 year. So 4 by 12 it will become year. 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. So 3 1 by 3 means 10 by 3 years. Now after this, check here. Interest equal to P into R into T by 100 dot. That dot means multiplication. Put the value, do calculation. Interest will come 250 rupees. Interest is 250. Now amount means final money. Principal plus interest. So principal is 750 and the interest is 250. Interest means the extra money. Okay, 1000 is our required answer. Now check one second number. Principal 5000, rate 8%, time 23rd December 2011 to 29 July 2012. Time is given in month, date, year, that we have to change in terms of 8% per year. Means we have to change in year. How we will calculate? See. Calculation of time. December. In December on 23rd you have taken the money. Means after 23rd you have to pay the interest. So in December how many days are left? In December 31 minus 23, 8 days are left. So December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July you are keeping the money. When you are returning the money, on 29th you are returning the money. So in July we will take only 29, and when you will plus it will come 219 days. How to convert days? Time is equal to 219 by 365. You have to check. In February I have written here 29 because it is leap year. Okay, after this put the value P into R into T by 100, do calculation, your answer will come. In this question you have to only see how to calculate the time. You have to learn this new thing. Okay, two dates are given, 23 and 29. So 23 you will minus it here and 29 you are giving back. Okay, check it nicely. Next question, 3 number. You have to identify the interest on a certain sum of money is 1480. So 1480 is what? Check here, interest, then escape this line, then each 1480. Interest is given, 2 year is what? Time, 10% is what? Rate. What do you need? Find the sum. What I have told you, sum means principal. Sum means principal. Okay, what is the formula? Interest, time, rate, sum means principal. 100 into interest, 100 into 1480 by rate. Rate is 10, time is 2. 0 0 cancel, with 2 you cut. 7400 is our required answer. Okay, find the principal which will amount to. We need principal amount to means amount is 4000, time is 4 years, rate is 6.25% per annum. Per annum means per year. Okay, we need principal. How we will do this? Check. P, what amount, time, rate is given. A is equal to P into 1 plus R into T by 100 we will use. A means amount is given 4000. In the place of amount I have written 4000. Then principal is not given, it's okay. 1 plus R is given 6.25 into time is given 4 by 100. So 1 plus 25 by 100. How to plus? By taking LCM. Take LCM, 100. 100 will go up plus 25. So 4000 is equal to P into 125 by 100. Do cross multiplication. P will come 3200. Very important question. Okay. What rate? Question number 6.1. At what rate? We need rate. Will 630 produce? Means 630 is principal. And interest is 126 in 4 years. Okay. 3 things are given. At what rate? What is the formula for rate? For rate I need 3 things: interest, principal, time, and all the 3 things are given in question. Check. Principal, rate we need, principal, time, interest, all the 3 things are given. Calculate, your answer will come. Okay. Question number 6.2. At what rate percent? Same question, we need rate. Will a sum of money is not given, will double. Suppose that sum is 100, it will become double, then 200. So principal is 100, amount is 200. Itself in 6 1 by 4 year. Time is also given. How to solve? Check. Let the sum principal is 100, then double itself according to question means 200. So interest is equal to amount minus principal. 200 minus 100, 100 rupees is the interest. Time is given already. So for rate I need 3 things: interest, principal, and time. All the 3 things are given. Put the value. Time is 25 by 4, so 25 by 4, so 4 will go up. Okay, put the value, cut. So rate is equal to 16% per annum. Per annum is per year. Question number 8. This question is very important. The simple interest on a certain sum of money is 3 by 8 of the sum, but the sum is not given here. Sum means principal. In 6 1 by 4 year. Time is given here 6 1 by 4 year. Find the rate. For rate what do we need? For rate we need 3 things: interest, principal, time. Principal is not given here, interest is not given here, but time is given here. How to find this? Check. According to question, simple interest is 3 by 8 of sum. Sum is not given here, so in the bracket what I have written, let the sum principal is 100. So 3 by 8 into 100, so 300 by 8. Do not cut here. Time is given 6 1 by 4 means 25 by 4. Rate formula 100 into interest. Interest is 300 by 8. 300 is in the up, 8 is in the down. Principal is 100. Time is 25 by 4. 25 by 4. 4 will go up. do calculation, answer will come 6% per annum. Okay, so in this exercise, since today is the first class, so what you have to do, you have to read the question carefully and you have to identify what is it, principal, rate, time, interest, amount, what is it, and we need only formula. So this total chapter is based on formula. After reading the question, you have to identify the terms what is given here. Okay, it is the main concept of this chapter. Clear? If you have not understood this, read the first page of this video, you will understand it nicely. Thank you, have a good day, God bless you.